Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are going to discuss some question answer related to chapter number 1 that are important in your paper according to ALP Smart Syllabus. I will show them to you. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. These are some short questions. If you have any query, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Keep connecting. For more updates, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.